Hello, and welcome to celiac.com news. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest celiac disease and gluten-free diet news. And if you have any questions, be sure to join the celiac.com forum at www.celiac.com. And now, let's move on to more celiac.com news. Understanding gluten-free certification in healthcare facilities. In recent years, gluten-free dietary accommodations have gained attention beyond personal dietary preferences, emerging as a crucial medical necessity for individuals with celiac disease and gluten sensitivity. As a result, some hospitals, like Northern Nevada Medical Center and Sierra Medical Center, have gone above and beyond, earning Gluten-Free Safe Spot certifications to ensure a safe environment for gluten-free patients. Here, we'll dive into what gluten-free hospital certification entails, why it's important, and how this designation can create peace of mind for patients with gluten restrictions. The importance of gluten-free certification for hospitals. People with celiac disease or non-celiac gluten sensitivity experience adverse health effects when consuming gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. Even trace amounts from cross-contamination can cause symptoms, which vary, but may include gastrointestinal issues, skin rashes, headaches, or even more severe health risks over time. For celiac patients, ingesting gluten damages the small intestine's lining, impeding nutrient absorption. When admitted to a hospital, these patients must trust the facility's food and handling practices to avoid inadvertent gluten exposure. In light of these needs, Northern Nevada Medical Center and Sierra Medical Center in Nevada have pioneered gluten-free certification efforts, offering peace of mind for gluten-sensitive and celiac patients during their hospital stays. This certification assures patients that gluten-free dietary practices are strictly adhered to, offering both safety and dietary choice for those with gluten restrictions. What does it mean to be a gluten-free certified hospital? Certification as a gluten-free safe spot involves rigorous standards to guarantee a gluten-free environment. It covers many areas, from menu offerings to food preparation practices. At Northern Nevada Medical Center and Sierra Medical Center, the dietary staff has developed specialized gluten-free meal options designed to meet patients' nutritional needs without risk of gluten contamination. All ingredients are sourced carefully, ensuring that every food item provided is either certified gluten-free or naturally gluten-free. Further, every team member receives training on food preparation and cleaning methods to prevent cross-contamination with gluten. This includes using designated preparation spaces, utensils, and cleaning agents explicitly for gluten-free items. In addition, ongoing assessments and audits ensure that these practices remain consistent over time. Standards and metrics required for gluten-free certification. Achieving gluten-free certification requires healthcare facilities to meet stringent guidelines. These typically include education and training. All staff must undergo comprehensive training about celiac disease, gluten sensitivity, and cross-contamination. Training often includes safe handling procedures, dedicated equipment usage, and other protocols essential for maintaining a gluten-free kitchen environment. Sanitation and cleaning procedures. Facilities must adopt specialized cleaning protocols to prevent gluten from contaminating surfaces or kitchen tools. Dedicated preparation areas, specific cutting boards, and gluten-free only equipment help reduce contamination risk. Process development and audits. To maintain certification, hospitals must implement robust processes that are reviewed and audited regularly. These audits monitor every stage of food handling to ensure standards are consistently met and adjusted as needed. For hospitals like Northern Nevada Medical Center and Sierra Medical Center, these rigorous processes were essential in obtaining the Gluten-Free Safe Spot certification. This status assures patients that every effort is taken to eliminate cross-contamination risk, allowing them to eat safely while in the hospital's care. Why this certification matters for patients with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. For patients, gluten-free certification signifies safety and accessibility, ensuring that meals are carefully curated with gluten-free ingredients and handled without contamination. Such a guarantee is invaluable for individuals whose symptoms might flare up even from minor cross-contact with gluten. Given that 98% of gluten-free individuals feel more secure dining at certified establishments, this designation can build confidence and trust between patients and their healthcare providers. Beyond safety, certification allows patients to have choices similar to those of non-gluten-free patients. They can feel confident selecting items from the hospital menu, knowing that every dish is safe. This reduces anxiety about food safety and enables them to focus on healing, not the risks associated with their dietary needs. For many patients, this assurance goes beyond food. It represents a facility's commitment to understanding and addressing their unique needs. Gluten-free certification and its broader implications. While Northern Nevada Medical Center and Sierra Medical Center are two trailblazers in gluten-free hospital certification, their efforts highlight a growing need for healthcare facilities to accommodate patients with dietary restrictions. The steps taken by these facilities illustrate how simple practices, like thorough staff training and specialized food preparation protocols, can make a significant difference for patient health and well-being. These standards may also serve as a model for other hospitals, encouraging the healthcare industry to adopt gluten-free protocols for safer, more inclusive patient care. As gluten-free certification continues to expand, it could set new standards in dietary accommodations, providing a much-needed framework for individuals with food allergies, sensitivities, or specific dietary needs across various healthcare and service settings. Gluten-free hospital certification is more than a title. It's a commitment to patient safety, comfort, and trust. For hospitals like Northern Nevada Medical Center and Sierra Medical Center, achieving this designation involved rigorous training, dedicated gluten-free practices, and an unyielding focus on patient well-being. For patients with gluten restrictions, knowing they're in a certified gluten-free environment can alleviate concerns and allow them to focus fully on recovery. This step forward highlights the value of addressing specific dietary needs in healthcare, setting an example for institutions across the industry. By prioritizing dietary safety through certification, healthcare providers can better serve those with dietary restrictions, ultimately contributing to a more inclusive, understanding, and health-focused environment. To get the latest celiac disease news and information, be sure to subscribe to celiac.com news. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.